I'm so excited because I have recently started a skincare journey and I've been using an LED mask and now I have one of these. This was sent for my review and I have been seeing these everywhere and I was super pumped to actually try one. And I'm going to be trying it for the very first time today. So love the way it fits in my hand. It's got that, they're calling it like the dolphin curve, and it does like definitely fit in the palm of my hand. Clearly my dog wants to try it out too, but it's for me, not him. And so you got a really nice grip on it. And then so basically, so we turn this on. So, and then you have, it's really cool. Oh, I'm going to have to show you that. That's one of the coolest features. So you have like the different colors here. And then inside, like it tells you, we all know that like with the red light, the different lights do different things for your skin. So you can read up on that. And depending on what you're looking for, you can check that out. And it is really, really hard to see, but there is a display screen on here. So you can go through different modes. There's like the clean mode. There's also a hot mode, which I'm going to find right now. So you can actually turn on the heat, which is really cool. And then also, so right now it's not vibrant because at first I thought this was just like an LED, but once you put it to your skin, hopefully you can hear that, it actually starts massaging. So then you can take this and then as soon as you pull it away from your face, it stops massaging, which I think is really cool because that's going to help save the battery. Speaking of which, of course, it is rechargeable. It does come with the cable and it says when it's fully charged, this will last like 2 hours. I feel like it's going to last more than that. I mean, I don't think you're going to be using this for 2 hours at a time. I've turned on the heat. I can already feel it starting to get nice and hot. And then, yeah, like I've just kind of seen people do this. I know it's really good. I'm hoping it'll help with my double chin. But yeah, it feels really good on your face. I love that you've got that massaging feature. You've got that red light feature. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the red light. And then, yeah, it feels really, really good. And I'm excited to add this into my daily skincare routine.